In this video, we'll write some real code in Kotlin using Android Studio. Okay, let's get started. Android Studio. Start a new Android Studio project. Yes. So like always, we'll select an empty activity. Next. Name. We'll try to write some code to check whether an integer is a prime number or not. Okay, so prime checker. Okay, so package name comp.go/android prime checker. That's good. Kotlin. Yeah, we'll use Kotlin as our programming language. Yeah, another one is Java. Java is old, so let's use the new one. Finish. There are some tips here, so close that and put it here. Here is our main activity. Don't worry about that. We will not use that today. We just write some code here. Here is the entry point of our logic. So, but before we write any code, let's run it. So here is our emulator. So let's run it. Okay, cool. Lovely emulator. So it's still launching. Still the performance could be improved, increasing the maximum heap size. Okay. Yeah, hello world. That's the default one. Prime checker. We didn't write any code yet. Okay, so one of the most annoying thing in Android developing is the output here inside the Logcat. It dumps out. Let's close this one. Yeah, it dumps like a lot of informations, and if we write a code here like a print line here, right? Like hello world, our famous phrase when we start learning programming. If we run it, it's very hard to find it here. Let's try. So stop that and run again. See if we can see hello world. Okay, focus. Where is it? We don't know. It's here. Yeah, here. So for a beginner, who cares those like millions of maybe thousands of system information here. So one way to do that is we can add a filter for the dumped messages. So let's go here. You see, no filter, edit filter configuration. So we can, because our hello world, you see here, our hello world is i/system.out. So we can filter name, we can put it, whatever name, just use. This is not important, just to label our filter. But here is important. That's the real thing we want to. System.out and log message, log level. Let's use info. Okay, so now system on the hello world. Let's try it again. So let's clear here and stop it. So if we can see like only hello world is out, then that's what we need. Run. Nice. Now we can write some code and check the result, right? So what do we want to do? We want to check whether, for example, a number value, say number, and its type is int, right? Int, yeah, this guy equals, let's say 3, and let's try to print out. Okay, this guy, print line, can we do that? Yeah, like, can we do something like number equals, this is the Java syntax, I'm not sure if it works or not. Okay, let's run it. Can we just run again? Oh, maybe we have to stop it first. Okay, no big deal. Oh, hello world again, and yeah, number, it works. This syntax is okay, so that's clear. So to check whether a number is, for example, we want to check this, right? 31. We need a for loop, so let's start trying a for loop. Oh, okay. What is this? Yeah, that's the comment. So for loop. How can we do that? Let's write something like for, for I int, no, let's Google the syntax. Okay, so yeah, if we search Kotlin for loop, we can find something like that. So the syntax is very similar to Swift, the latest programming language used by Apple. So I in 0.5. Okay, so it will be 0 to 5 up to 5. 0 until 5, 0.5. Okay, so let's try both. I in 0.5. So can we move that up? Okay, cut and put here. Let's print out I equals I. So this will be I equal, right? Will be output as is, and this I will be the value of this integer. So this will be converted to a string object first, then it will be concatenated with I equals. Let's give a try. Stop it and run again. So we should be able to see 0, 1, I equal to, yeah, I agree, 0. Okay, so now let's try the other syntax until, yeah, we need to clear this and stop that and run again. So this is how we played with a new programming language or some new concept, right? We Google some example and we might read something and we can try in our coding environment. So here, yeah, so writing code is the best way to learn coding. Now how do we check this one? Is prime or not. So we'll do something like that, right? If number, right? No. Yeah. If number mod I equal 0, then it'll be we can say no. So we cannot start from 0. I can start from 2 until number, right? So if number can be divided by I evenly, right? So it means number let's say here, so number is not so maybe we need to put another string here. Yeah, so now this number will be converted to string first. It's not prime. Yeah, it's not prime. And it can be divided by I, right? Cool. Does it work? Yes. So then we can simply break, right? We can end this. We can end. Wow. So if we can stop, we can return. Can we return here? Yeah, return here. Then if we run until here, then it means it is a prime, right? We cannot find a divisor, so it is a prime. Is prime. Now let's give a try. Clear here and stop that and run. 31, is it a prime number? Is prime. Now let's try 33. Maybe another one like 30 what? 30. Which one? This one. Okay. Run again. 37 should not be a prime, right? It's not prime. It can be divided by 5. Cool. Now let's use a random number. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's easy. 1, 2, I don't know. 127. Is a prime. Oh, it is a prime. I didn't know that. Let's try an easy one. This is an odd number, right? It should be reported like divisible by 2. Is it? Yes. Okay, cool. Now let's play some fun here. 31 we already tested, right? 331 is that? Do you know? No. Let's clear here. Run it. Oh, it's a prime. Another 3. 3,331. Is it? Do you know? Is a prime. Wow. Another 3. do we find a pattern for prime number? Is it possible? Is there any pattern to find out the prime numbers? Wow, still. So some people might think we can find a pattern for prime numbers. Wow, it still works, right? So let's add another one. Still okay, but unfortunately there's no prime number patterns. Here you see, it can be divided by 17 finally. Okay, cool, that's it for today. See you next time.